Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sam. Okay, so today I want to show you guys a beautiful application. It's called Brave. It's a browser actually. Now it's a browser that pays you in cryptocurrency for browsing, and guess what? It gives you your privacy, right? You can choose to either get you can choose to view ads and get paid for viewing those ads, right? Unlike other browsers that you don't even have privacy, right? You can be tracked and you don't get paid for viewing those ads that you see on those browsers. Brave does pay you for viewing ads, but let's just have a preview on Brave. So you might not necessarily see this wallpaper when you download Brave, but this is one of the things you will see. This logo right here, that's the Brave logo. And Brave also have their own cryptocurrency that is listed on CoinMarketCap. I'm going to show us briefly. Right, so now let's just take a look at Brave. This is this is the book. This is the home page, right? This is a bookmark, right? That's the search function in case you want to search for. I just recently talked about Apix, right? So this is what Apix looks like. Now, if you've not watched the video about Apix, Apix is just watch the video. It's a social media platform like Instagram that pays you for posting, right? You see, the world is changing gradually. Previously these big tech platforms get the entire money, when you use their platform. Well, right now the game is changing. Now you can get paid, for using these platforms, right? And of course, YouTube has been rewarding people for a while, and that is absolutely amazing. But now let's see how you can make money with what's it called, with Brave browser. All right, so one of the things you need to do is make sure you go around, check. Okay, you can actually block tracking, HTTPS, block script, fingerprinting protection, right? So you can turn that on or off, right? Now thumbnails. Now by the time once you click this area right here, so let's click that. All right, so you can see Apix not verified. What that means is that by the time Apix gets verified, you can actually tip the users of Apix, for being valuable. So if you're reading, going through a website, right, you can actually tip the website owner, some few cryptocurrency. So as you can see, it's written here. It says this creator has not yet signed up to receive contributions from Brave browsers, right? So you can actually tip content creators for producing or creating valuable content. All right, so assuming this guy was verified, I would have tipped him right here, right? So far there's no you can also choose to auto contribute to this difference. Now the name of the cryptocurrency that you contribute to these guys is called BAT, Basic Attention Tokens, and it's one of my long-term cryptocurrencies that I'm buying for long-term cryptos. For long-term. All right, so let's go to settings and see what we have in settings. All right, so the browser comes with a wallet inbuilt. So this is the wallet compartment, and if you have a currency, a token there, you will see the USD value, right? So you can also, this is the end part, you can earn tokens by viewing ads in Brave, right? So if you view an ad, you get paid. Now imagine if YouTube was doing the same thing. Imagine if Google was doing the same thing. For each ad you're watching, you're getting paid for those ads, right? So the game is changing, so you can actually get paid for viewing these ads. So let's see. So earn tokens by viewing ads in Brave. Ads presented are based on your interests as inferred from your browsing behavior. No personal data or browsing history ever leaves your browser, so it gives you total privacy. So estimated, I have this is the first time I'm using it for this particular mobile phone. I have another mobile phone that I'm using. Okay, I've used it several times though. I think, yeah, I've used it several times, but this is the first time I'm using it this long on this mobile phone. So I have estimated $0.1 coming into my account, and my next payment is on the 5th of May, and then I'll be paid this cryptocurrency called BAT. bat right here. So let's see, settings. So you can choose the number of times you want to. Hope you guys know what I clicked. You can choose the number of times you want to see ads, right? So say 2 ads per day, right? So I can go for 5 ads per day, right? And then you're getting paid for these ads that you're viewing, right? So let's go back. So what I clicked before was settings to check the number of ads I want to be viewing per day, right? So let's check ad notification. We've gotten 6 so far. So back now, auto contribute means you want to assuming you're contributing $10 to a particular content producer. You want to be giving this content producers $10 every day or every month. You can actually do that. So an automatic way to support publishers and content creators: set a monthly payment and set a monthly payment and browse normally. The Brave verified sites you visit will receive your contributions automatically based on your attention as measured by the Brave. This is absolutely beautiful, right? So this just looks like what's it called, YouTube, but the difference is that you're as the content consumer, you're getting paid to consume this content, and that's absolutely remarkable, right? So you can actually also tip. Let's read that. Tip content creators directly as you browse by using the rewards panel or by using the inline tip button on various sites including Twitter, Reddit, and GitHub, right? So that's beautiful. Now something else we need to check out. Let's see. Okay, I don't think we have that on the mobile device, or maybe I'll do another video for desktop. You can actually save your private keys on your browser. Let's see. Let me see if I can find that. No, not here. You can actually save your private keys. Okay, I'll do a video with the desktop version, so you guys can actually see your private keys. Now, what are private keys? Now, private keys are private keys, right? So they help you reset or restore your accounts in the case just in case you lose your mobile device or you lose your browser. You can, or maybe you switch to a new phone. You can actually take all your funds, assuming you've made up to $1,000. You can actually move the funds over to another phone, right? So that's what that is for, right? So I'll do another video using the desktop format so you guys can see how the private keys works, right? So please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, right? So see ya.